Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classroom. We will learn the addition facts for the numbers 1 to 10 in the last week. Did you understand that? Okay. Today, we are going to discuss some story sums or word problems. You can see many word problems in your textbook, page number 34 and 35. Now, we will discuss some word problems. So, children, let us start. Children, do you play in your home? Yes, I know that. Which game do you like most? Okay. Here are a few children playing basketball. Let us listen them.
Here, some children are playing basketball. You can see there are two teams. One is blue color and other is red color. So, there are two teams, blue team and red team. Then tell me children, how many children are playing in each team? We can see the blue team contains 4 children and the red team contains 4 children. Here we have to find out the total number of children are playing basketball. That is our question. How many children are playing basketball? What will we do? We can add. We can use addition for finding the total number of children, isn't it? So, let us start.
Children, I will read the question once again. Red and blue teams are playing basketball. There are 4 players in the red team. There are 4 players in the blue team. How many players are playing basketball? I told you. Here we have to find out the total number of players. Children, the words such as in all, altogether, total, sum implies addition. You can find the total number of players by adding. We know how to add two numbers, right? Here we have 4 players in the red team and 4 players in the blue team. We have to find out the total number of players, which means we have to add these two numbers, that is 4 plus 4. How you add these two numbers? 4 plus 4. We can take 4 fingers in one hand and 4 fingers in the other hand. If we put these fingers together, we will get 8 fingers. So we can easily say that 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So we can write the answer here. That is 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. That is, the total number of players is equal to 8. Did you understand this problem? Okay. Children, do you like pet animals? Do you have any pet animals in your home? Okay. My friend Remya loves animals. She has pets in her home. Do you want to see that pet animals? Let us listen.
See children, these are the pets in Ramya's home. You can see 8 fishes and 2 cats. We have to find out the total number of pets in Ramya's home. What will we do? We can find the total number of pets by adding. Did you know how to add two numbers? Here we are going to add the number of fishes and number of cats. Here we have 8 fishes and 2 cats. If we add the number of fishes and number of cats, we will get the total number of pets in Demya's home. So children, are you ready? Okay.
Children, I will read the question again. Yemya has 8 fish and 2 cats as pets. How many pets are there in all? Here we have to find out the total number of pets. Let us check. Yemya has 8 fish and 2 cats. We have to find out the total number of pets. That is, here we have to add these two numbers, that is 8 plus 2. What will be the answer when we add 8 plus 2? For that, keep the bigger number in your mind. Take the smaller number in your hand. Which is the bigger number here? 8. Smaller number 2. So, take the number 2 in your hand. After 8, 9, 10. That is, when we add 8 and 2, we will get the answer 10. That is, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. That is, Yemya has 10 pets in her home. Is it clear? Okay.
Our next question. In a team, there are 5 girls and 4 boys. How many children are there in the team? Here, we have to find out the total number of children in the team. We can see there are 5 girls and 4 boys. Now, we have to add the number of girls and number of boys. The number of girls is equal to 5. The number of boys is equal to 4. The total number of children is equal to 5 plus 4. Children, what will be the answer? 5 plus 4. If we add 5 with 4, we will get the answer 9. Is the total number of children is equal to 9. Let us listen the next question. I will read the question. There are 4 big elephants and 3 baby elephants in a zoo. How many elephants are there in all? Here we have to find out the total number of elephants. Tell me children, how many big elephants are there? That is 4 big elephants. And how many baby elephants? 3. Now we have to add the number 4 and 3. That is number of big elephants and number of baby elephants. Let us add these two numbers. We know there are 4 big elephants and 3 baby elephants. Now the total number of elephants is equal to 4 plus 3. What will be the answer? 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. There are 7 elephants in the zoo.
Let's do one more problem. Are you ready? Yes. Children, here is our question. I will read the question. 5 children are playing in a park. 3 more children join them. How many children are there altogether? What we need to find out here? Children, see the word altogether? I told you before, the words such as altogether, in all, total, sum implies addition. So, here we have to add the numbers. What numbers to add? 5 and 3. Our question, how many children are there altogether? Which means we have to find out the total number of children in the park. That is, we have to add the number 5 and 3. Is it clear? Okay. So, we know that 5 children are playing in the park. So, we can write the children played in the park is equal to 5. And 3 more children join with them. So, we can write children joined is equal to 3. We have to find out the total number of children. For that, we have to add these two numbers, that is 5 and 3. Tell me children, what will be the answer when we add 5 and 3? That is 5 plus 3. For that, keep the number 5 in your mind take the number 3 in your hand. Count after 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will get the answer 8. That is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So we can write here 8. Now we can understand that the total number of children in the park is equal to 8. Children, I hope you have understood this problem, right? Okay. Children, I hope you have understood how to solve story sums or word problems in addition, isn't it? So you can see many word problems in your textbook, page number 34 and 35. You have to write the answers in it. Will you do it? Okay. So see you children. Till then, bye.